Here you have the two panels that divide the two stalls. A small panel and a large panel that gets stacked. I'll be showing you how to install the dowels to connect the two panels right now. When installing the dowels, I usually take the larger panel and lay it on the table and the smaller panel on top. I'll go to each side and even up each panel together so they're sitting on top of each other and it's a nice even flat surface. I'll take two clamps and clamp each side down so none of the material moves while drilling. I'll be installing 3 wooden dowels to connect the two panels. Typically, you would come in 2 inches from each side. And then put 1 dowel in the center. Now, I will come down in the center of each panel, which would be a 1/2 inch, and make a mark. I will now drill with a 3/8 drill bit in the center of each panel, about 3/4 of an inch deep. Now to install the dowels.